Hey guys, Corn Cob CB Shop, and this doesn't look like a radio, and that's because it's not. This is the Olight i3T2 EOS. Now, of course, I got it in orange because I like everything in orange. But this is a simple EDC flashlight that I purchased with my own money. No, Olight didn't send it to me. I don't reach for this light very often, but when I do, I just like it. I don't know what it is about it. So let's see what we're looking at. So we're looking at about 3/4 of an inch wide from clip to bottom, and then about 3.5 inches long. And one thing you'll notice about this is there's not really a spot for recharging, and that's because it runs off of one AAA battery. Now, there are some downsides to this and some positives. I really like that the AAA battery is readily available, but I prefer something that you can recharge, which is probably why I don't reach for this very often. It kind of just stays in the truck or on the counter by the back door when I need something quick to grab. Super simple light. This isn't going to be a long detailed video. There's not a lot of features to this. We got the reversible clip, so you can use it as a hat light or you can just as a pocket clip. I'm a big fan of that. Tells you which way to orient the battery. It is 180 lumens. Not the brightest flashlight on the market, but you can toggle between 5 and 180 lumens. Really good, just pocket flashlight. You know, I like their baton minis. I like their super teeny tiny ones as well, but this is a good mid-sized pocket light that I find myself picking up more and more. If I had to change anything about it, maybe I'd make it rechargeable, but you can get a rechargeable battery and just fast swap the battery out. Super simple, guys. This is the Olight i3T2 EOS. Kind of a long name, but a simple, small light. 73s.